Welcome friends. Today's topic is nominal mixed concrete and design mixed concrete. So let's get started. Here is the question. Differentiate between nominal mixed concrete and design mixed concrete. Here is the answer. Nominal mixed concrete versus design mixed concrete. This is a picture of on-site concrete made by the worker with the help of concrete mixer. This is a picture of ready mix concrete plant. Nominal mix concrete and design mix concrete. The difference between nominal mix concrete and design mix concrete are given below. Nominal mix concrete. This is the common method of expressing the proportions of the materials in a concrete mix in the form of parts of ratios of cement, the fine and coarse aggregates with cement being taken as unity. For example, a 1 ratio 2 ratio 4 mix contains 1 part of cement, 2 part of fine aggregate and 4 parts of coarse aggregate. The amount of water, entrained air and admixtures, if any, are expressed separately. The amount of entrained air in concrete is expressed as a percentage of the volume of concrete. The amounts of admixtures are expressed relative to the weight of cement. Other forms of expressing the proportions are by ratio of cement to the sum of fine and coarse aggregates, that is aggregate cement ratio, and by cement factor or number of bags of cement per cubic meter of concrete. Nominal mixed concrete may be used for concrete of grade M20 or lower. Proportions of nominal mixed concrete. Here is the table. Grade of concrete, total quantity of dry aggregate per bag of cement 50 kg. Another column is maximum water content per bag of cement of 50 kg in liter. Proportion of fine aggregate to coarse aggregate by mass. So in grade of concrete it is M10, this is 480 and this is 34. Generally 1 ratio 2 with upper. In M15 proportions are 350, 32, limit is 1 ratio 1.5 and lower. In grade of concrete M20 proportions is 250, 30, limit is 1 ratio 2.5. Design mixed concrete. For high performance concrete, the most rational approach of mix proportioning is to select proportions with specific materials which possess more or less unique characteristics. Other factors like workability, durability, compaction equipment available, curing methods adopted, etc., also influence the choice of the mix. The mix proportions so arrived it is called the design mix concrete. Nominal mix concrete versus design mix concrete. This is the table of nominal mix concrete and design mix concrete difference. So first point is in nominal mix concrete, the nominal mix is site level mixing. Small concrete mixer can be used to mix the ingredients. In design mix concrete, the design mix is designed from a ready mix concrete plant, that is RMC plant. Number 2, there are many grades of nominal mix concrete like M5, M7.5, M10, M15 and M20. Design mix is a process to prepare the concrete by testing all necessary properties like properties of cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate of concrete ingredients. Number 3, for a nominal mix, no laboratory tests are conducted. The design mix is based on laboratory trial and error experiment method. Number 4, the nominal mix is easy to make at the construction site. It does not take more time to decide the proportion because proportions are already given in IS 456 2000. So in design mix concrete, whereas the design mix is very difficult and its process takes more time than 30 days. To find out the most suitable mix for the project, for design mix IS 10262 shall be followed. Number 5, for a nominal mix there is no need of skilled persons, whereas for design mix skilled person shall be required to prepare the mix design. Number 6, the nominal mix is based on past experience and past empirical studies and has no scientific approach, whereas the design mix is more scientific than the nominal mix. Number 7, the nominal mix may or may not give exactly design strength unless all other factors like compaction, specific gravity, water cement ratio, curing of concrete are strictly followed. Whereas design mix not only makes concrete of design strength but also makes it economical too. Number 8, in the case of nominal mix, water cement ratio is considered by the assumption. So, if we do not take care of it, sometimes it leads to bleeding segregation and may make concrete of poor strength and durability. Whereas in the case of design mix, there is no such problem. Slump and strength can be related. That is, for the strength, we can use different slump by changing the water cement ratio with or without admixtures. Number 9, the nominal mix is preferred for simpler and small concrete works. In other words, the nominal mixes adopted for ordinary concrete work Nominal mix may be used for concrete of N20 grade or lower grade, whereas design mixed is used for more extensive and important concrete works. Design mix can be used for all the grades, but it is generally used for M25 and above grades. Number 10, for the nominal mix, specific properties of individual ingredients are not considered or checked. For design mix, every property of ingredients should be known and checked. Number 11, all the ingredients of concrete are mixed based on volume. All the ingredients of concrete are mixed based on weight. Number 12, they are easy to make and is not time consuming. In design mix concrete, they are difficult to make and takes more than 30 days to find out the most suitable mix for the project. Number 13, they are generally used in small quantities or where the load is not very high. They are used in heavy structures or where the load is very high. Number 14, trial mixes concept is mentioned. Not much consideration for trial mixes. Number 15, they have less strength and are not durable. They assure high durability and strength. Number 16, it is prescriptive type concrete and it is performance based concrete. So dear friends, this is all about nominal mix concrete and design mix concrete. Write your opinion in the comment section of this video. You can also check the playlist related to construction and building materials videos in my channel. If you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming construction and building materials related videos first. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.